are heading to Printing Yes tonight for fucking 1,000,000 beers. 1,000,000 beers.
I love Taco Bell.
Can we just like film this car like it's a crazy fucking build all night? Although it's like such a piece of shit. They're like, James's car is finally done. It's finally finished. It's finally finished. Oh my god. Like check out. Getting the dents just perfectly right. Oh, and all the scratches and all the fucking dirt has been perfectly placed by a Japanese artist. I wouldn't have it any other way, actually. Big Tony! Dude, I'm driving the greatest car in the world.
Yeah, he is. Best car ever.
It's finally done. We just spent 10 months putting about 100 grand into it.
This is my crazy build of the year.
So all this damage is from the drive over. It's just because it's so fucking slammed. Like this will buff out, that's fine. Dude, when you're putting it in beer mode.
What does that mean?
Put it in beer mode.
I don't get it. Put it in beer mode.
Put it in beer mode. So we got non-Vanos for Evelina's car?
Yeah. So right on. Pull the harness off. Fucking take everything down and then make it lock.
Oh, I need this one.
I'm honestly kind of glad we came home because I could not handle another 20 beer night.
Dude, we had another 20 beer night.
Name and occupation.
Name and occupation. JD Butt Buster. Occupation. Butt busting.
Yeah. We did, yeah. Dude, the cabin was fucking mid.
That looks so fun. Stop talking about it. All right, I'm slightly pissed, but I probably would have had kidney failure.
Hello, fine shite. Would you like a YN like me?
They should put it in beer mode.
What?
Carbon fiber wipers?
Okay, bro, chill.
Yo, guys, saw his carbon fiber wipers.
Oh, that's some badass shit. Badass.
We're going to Printing Yes tonight. We're washing up Poo Box, other Poo Box, and super mint and fresh and perfect S13.
Oh, what's that? Oh shit. Oh shit, what's that behind all that soap? Oh shit. Oh. Yo, what is that?
God motherfucking damn, it's Spider-Man.
So yeah, it should be pretty cool. Cool cars, DJ, food. I don't know. This video is gonna be a little different. We're just gonna roll out squad style and have a good time. I'm gonna try and do more like short content because I always do like long form crazy shit. So we're gonna do that.
Carabao shirt. Fresh swag.
It's like a brand new car.
Yeah, dude. Can't even tell, like, he hit me.
Yeah. What the fuck?
It's fucking mint, dude. Showroom floor spec.
Honestly, though, I might have to just buy Chris a new football. Oh shit.
You never leave it inflated. You'll never get a dent again.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, she's fucking in there. I like it. Sorry, Chris.
The football's mine now.
Football's mine.
Yeah, always aim for your right rear door and it'll never cave.
What's it like owning like a shitbox Sylvia now?
You know what, pal? What color is your Sylvia? What color is your Bugatti?
Fucking sponsored by Goose. James, smoke them.
Oh, I know. We're just recording.
Streets closed, pizza boy.
All right, build that rig.
We're building the rig.
You see me build my rig?
Yeah, show me your rig.
We got rig supplies.
Don't fuck up. Lock in.
All right.
Lock in. Don't fuck up. Lock in.
Which one is it again?
Lock in. Don't fuck up. Lock in. I think he's fucking up. Lock in. Lock the fuck in. Fucking.
Cars really long on all of them. Shut the fuck up, Saul.
It's embarrassing, bro.
How about you, like, shut the fuck up?
Hey, Jarvis, play Dave once.
This is actually so sick.
Look at the fucking sparkle in that. Look at the sparkle in this spot.
Hey, Jarvis, fix James' paint.
Hey, Jarvis. Drive me home. I'm drunk.
It's looking mint, dude.
Shitty rigs.
Dude, we gotta add shitty rigs. I forgot to.
Yeah,
last
dude,
time.
you forgot to record it on your phone.
Oh, Dale, dude, for Dale, fucking right on.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Fuck.
Be better if I didn't have to fix this thing.
Yeah, no shit. I didn't know if you.
I was like ready. I was ready to leave, and I was like, "Oh, the belt's not squealing that bad." I go to leave, and it's like down the road. I'm like, "Oh, I gotta change a belt." Everything's off, so I had to bring it out. I had to, dude. I had the time, and I had the alternator. And I was like, "I know he has to start."
Oh shit. We went to the liquor store and everything and didn't pick up Caribous to put on top of the car. Caribous. It's almost like we went to Caribou Raceway last weekend.
And you guys are drinking Coors.
Smoking kills? Fucking sure does. Or heavy kills, bro. Oh.
Pretty girls don't like their own cigarettes.
They sure don't. Fucking right on, Dougie. Appreciate you. The greatest rig to ever shitty.
Dude, this is the shittiest rig.
How's it feel being a fucking rock star, big dog?
Hey, I've been a rock star for a while, just in a different scene, so I don't know, it's good to be back.
How's it feel to be married to a rock star?
Awesome, to be honest. Pretty awesome. VIP status automatically.
He just pays for everything and he just handles it.
I'm fucking rich, baby. Look at my car. You ain't got
Look at the whip. Think this man's broke right now?
football in the door. You think I'm broke? Go on.
It's empty. Oh, okay, cool. That's all right. Is that the Dr. Deftones?
How you doing, big dog?
So good to see you. So glad you pulled up.
Okay, we're hugging. We're making.
Did you see my new camera rig?
The one you're holding?
No, this one.
Oh. What the fuck did you put on that?
So it's 2 phone wide-angle camera lenses. Check this out.
It goes so hard.
Hold on, let me find the picture menu. Oh my god, wait. How do I take a picture?
You want to see the rollers? That's amazing! That brought a tear to my eye. Plays music? Yeah. No. It's mint, dude. You feel like a rock star yet?
Dude, are you kidding me? We are the show.
Fucking right on. Pretty big announcement here. So, I know I mentioned in the video that I was gonna be focusing on shorter form content, but I have one last big video planned. So, we are gonna be hosting the premiere for the Weaponized movie at Printing Yes. Super stoked. Fuck. It's gonna be on September 6th. Still figuring out the times and organizing a bunch of the logistics out, but I'm super stoked. Thank you, Michael, for being interested in taking it on, because I've never hosted a public premiere, but I couldn't be more excited for it. It's gonna be a fucking banger. We're gonna have a great time. You know, it's definitely gonna be the biggest event that I've ever done, so anyways, yeah, enough of me yapping. I'm just super, super stoked to be hosting a public premiere. We're gonna have, you know, a bunch of show cars there. We're gonna have the whole Weaponized team there. We are going to have some popcorn, and it's gonna be a whole thing. It's gonna be a whole shindig. So be sure to follow Printing Yes on Instagram and Goodnight Media, or Goodnight.media on Instagram to learn more information. But yeah, could not be more excited for it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
There is something you can't understand. How I could just kill me. There is something you can't understand.
𝑨𝑵𝑵𝑰𝑽𝑬𝑹𝒀.